Training data is a valuable commodity in AI. It builds the foundation of every model, and it is what determines the output later on. But as much as we like to see the AI models work, it's much more important that we have an insight into what's happening with them. Yet without an insight in the training data, we don't know where the knowledge comes from and how the models build their basis. And if you ever wonder what could happen if you have wrong data in there, you don't have to look further than science fiction. The original Star Wars movie has a scene where C-3PO and R2-D2 play holochess Jar Jar against Chewbacca. The Wookiee is losing and gets a bit angry, which leads Han Solo to proclaim, well, don't make the Wookiee angry because he might rip your limbs off. C-3PO concludes, the valid strategy is let the Wookiee win. And if you have ever read Star Wars Legends, that is the books before Disney took over, a couple of times C-3PO repeats that wisdom, let the Wookiee win, to other people who win against Wookiees in different games. Naturally, everyone assumes he's a droid, he doesn't have a hidden agenda, his AI is flawless, and consequently they believe him. Because they don't know that he was trained on the knowledge of someone with a hidden agenda and with really questionable knowledge. And the same is true in our world. Whenever we analyze an AI, we can either look at the knowledge it has or at the output it generates. But without knowing what goes in, we're basically poking it until we find something which is wrong. And sometimes we might not even find it because it's just a little bit wrong or maybe just acceptable. And so we suddenly stumble over it, maybe down the line. Thus, we need to know what goes into an AI model, and we need to know its training data, so we are prepared to work with it and to counter any hidden biases, long-running prejudices, or simple wrong information. Thank you.